Thank you for working with Avanti. We really appreciate your business.
From the engineering department, we really enjoy working on your projects.
Thank you for working with Avanti Engineering.
We appreciate customers like you, and we want to work hard for you.
Yes, we don't have customers, we have partners. And when I say thank you for your business, I always say thank you for your partnership, because we're family owned, but we're customer built. And with that said, thank you for your partnership, because without you, we wouldn't be here today.
We look forward to our next opportunity.
We appreciate you, and we'd like to thank you because you are a special customer.
Hi, this is Rocco from Avanti Engineering. On behalf of myself and all of the team, we thank you. If you have any suggestions on how to make your experience better with us, please let me know.
We want to use our expertise to help you.